Double Olympic champion Elaine Thompson carried her MVP sprint relay team to a world-leading time, while Olympic silver medalist Sherwin Simpson returned to competitive sprinting at the Milo Western Relays in Montego Bay on Saturday. Simpson took a 2-year break from the sports to give birth and is now working her way back to the heights she once enjoyed. Now training under the guidance of head coach Maurice Wilson at Sprint Tech, Simpson contested both the 4x1 and the 4x2 on Saturday. Simpson led her team to victory in the 4x2 in 1 minute 33.71 seconds.
It felt good. I mean, the speed is not there as yet, but I'm very happy with the run. My coach and I we're being patient, and every day we're seeing, very good improvement. So we're just continuing to work hard and just to build each day.
Yeah. Do you intend to actually compete this year, or this is a training year?
Yes, man, I would really like to compete this year, going into next year, get my feet back into competition.
Meanwhile, double Olympic champion Elaine Thompson anchored her MVP team to victory in the 4x1 in 43.43 seconds over GC Foster College 44.25 and UTEC 44.45. Thompson has shrugged off last summer's World Championships disappointment and is looking ahead to a good season.
Well, it's a preparation for me to go into the World Indoors, and my first international meet will be 25th of February, which is a week and a half away from here, so it helps me to prepare for the 60 meter next week. I'm feeling great, but my coach will tell me a percentage, so I can't just speak and say, okay, the percentage, but I know I'm feeling great inside, but sometimes I feel great inside, but the result on the track is not 100%, but I'm feeling great so far.
Meanwhile, Kingston College's Javon Matheson had his first blowout this season, anchoring the purpose to victory in the Class 1 4x1, 40.58, ahead of Petersfield 40.99 and Rossi's 41.09. The upper sixth former, who is now being conditioned by renowned coach Glenn Mills, was satisfied.
Everything is going well, getting stronger, focusing on more technical aspects to my sprinting. So, with that comes speed, and I do feel faster.
Meanwhile, Kingston College enjoyed a good day, winning all 3 sprint relays, the Class 1 4x2 and the 4x4. Casey also capped the day with an exciting victory in the 4x8 in 7 minutes 44.94 seconds over Stats in 7 minutes 48.60 and Homo Technical 7 minutes 52.34. It was a good day for head coach Neil Harris.
Not looking bad. There are still some grey areas that I need to fix, but I think with time it will come together. So I'm just trying to put the pieces together as we go along, meet by meet. Well, so far so good. I think in terms of the relays, all classes being considered. 3 from 4, not bad. We still need to sort out some issues into the class 2 4x1, but eventually we'll get there.
Elsewhere, Calabar's Class 1 champion Michael Stevens stole the show at Saturday's Camperdown Classic at the National Stadium, posting a personal best 10.32 seconds in topping the boys' 100-meter section. Stevens, the Class 1 champion from 2017, say he was surprised by the time.
I just came out here and just executed the first 30 meter. After lifting up out of my dry face, I just kind of hit cruise control because of the heavy breeze, and I didn't expect to run that fast, but I have to thank God.
Jamaica College's Macaulay Everett was the second fastest on the day, posting 10.53 seconds to win his heat ahead of DeJour Russell of Calabar 10.62 into a 3.5 meter per second headwind. Another Calabar athlete, Christopher Taylor, 10.57 seconds, was third overall. Also impressive on the day was Xavier Nairn of Wolmer's in a 10.82. On the girls' side, Tarisha Walcott laid down 12.30 to finish fastest in the girls' 100 meters, while St. Jago's Kimon Shaw was second quickest over the distance in 12.33. Anthony Carpenter, competing in the men's 400-meter open, posted 46.45 to finish second overall. Meanwhile, Johan Blake opened his season with a 10.32 second clocking, but it was Great Britain's Zarnell Hughes who was finished fastest in the men's 100 at the Camperdown Classic. Hughes posted 10.18 in topping all competitors. Jazeel Murphy also made a return to the track with a 10.51 second run, while quarter miler Martin Manley put in a decent 10.52. On the women's side, Tiffany James won the women's 400 meters in a meet record 52.75 ahead of Khalees Spencer 53.21 and Christine Day 53.38 seconds.